All it takes is a second, the one when the 3612 service Paris-Cologne train crosses the border. On board is Jean-Marc, Chief Financial Officer, in his very best shoes for an extra important meeting. Just under his best shoes is the rail network, and to allow this rail network to run, we need another network. It's the electrical grid. To be precise, because Jean-Marc likes to be precise, it's the high and extra high voltage electricity transmission network run by RTE. This very second, while Jean-Marc and 342 travellers are going from France to Germany, thousands of megawatts are going from Germany to France. Sometimes it goes in the opposite direction, then in the opposite of the opposite direction. Because in Europe, countries import and export electricity, it all depends on production and demand, and on market prices. In the electricity market, RTE plays an extra important role, like Jean-Marc, because RTE's market mechanisms can summon up, at any given moment, the cheapest sources of electricity and the least polluting, which, handily, is often the same. Then RTE transmits the current to everywhere in Europe, thanks to interconnections between France and its neighbours. It's cool when there's a spark between neighbours. With all this in Europe, everything flows freely, in both directions. Like Jean-Marc's train, all it takes is a second, an extra important second, RTE, so that every second the current flows.